How to download songs from Suno AI. If you want to download the songs that you might have created on Suno or Suno AI more specifically, it's very simple to do so. First, you open up your browser and go to suno.com and make sure to log in to your respective account. After you've done that, on the left hand side you can see various options. You can simply go to the library option to find the songs that you've created. So you can see the songs, the playlist, the following, followers, and so on. So say there's a certain song that we created, you can either choose to publish them or extend that similar version, but what you can also do is you can simply choose to download that song. To download the song, on the right hand side you can see the three dots icon. Click on the three dots icon and there you can see the download button. You can choose to simply convert it into an MP3 audio, or if you want you can also basically generate a video. But if you want to download it in MP3 format, click on the MP3 audio version. It will not require you to have premium or anything. You can just download these songs for absolutely free. And this way you can go ahead and then download songs from Suno AI. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.